1, 2, 3, let's switch this up. Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tequila. If you are new, and if you are not new, how are you doing? How have you been? So in today's video, we have another episode of Beast on a Budget, where I share where to get some really dope shoes for the low, and by the title you can tell that we have the ceramic dunks. All these shops information will be in the description box, so you can check them out. But yeah, let's just get into this. So here is the box that the shoe comes in. It's your regular dunk box, get the red Nike box, and then here we have right here all the information. So they are these ceramic dunks. I got them in the UK 7.5, US 8.5. And I will say before getting into this, they are small. They run small. So I don't know if it's, I guess it's just this site, whatever, you know, stencil or whatever you want to call it. It runs small. So these are very snug on me, but I'm gonna wear them because they look really beautiful. So yeah, let's just get into the shoe. Inside the box, if you're curious, you do get StockX stuff, which I can't stress enough. Don't pretend like your shoes are real if you know they're not. So here are the sneakers. I did wear them yesterday. I shot a picture, an outfit in these yesterday,